Hi guys, today the fast cuff nuts. So this one is a very easy nuts to do. One in one side, one in the other. Pass the rope from each from the other side. When you do it and undo it, you can ask the person to blow on it and it will be undone very quickly. So one on one side, finger grab the other and go in the hole of each other. You pass arms, the end, you shrink, you attach in the front, the person, sorry. First time I use this set, so you can do whatsoever type of nut you want here. When the person will try to undo it for fun, the nut will move in the opposite direction, so that can be kind of cute to break the ice, to undo it, and make sure that the person feel comfortable. It's easy to do and easy to undo, and especially fast to undo. So just remove the ropes, ask the person to blow on it, and voila. Have a good day, guys.